Okay, now I think some of you still confused on the interval notation, how to find the final answer if you have two set of answer. For example, if I give you, let's say the first one would be the first part, you have half until 1, union by 2 until infinity, and then you have or. Usually this kind of question is for what do we call that, absolute value. Okay, when you have two set of answers, so the second set answer is um, negative infinity until 1, union by 11 over by 8 until 2. So how to combine the two answer? So this is the first part and this is the second part. What you can do, you can draw your real number line. So you have your smallest number is negative half, and then it comes 1, and then 11 over by 8, and then comes 2. Draw your green color first. So you're gonna have negative half until 1, both are whole because you have an open bracket, and then 2 until infinity. Then the next one, let's say we take the blue one, negative infinity until 1. So you stop until here, 1. Okay, then you have 11 over by 8 until 2. Okay, now since this is OR means a union. So what you need to do is you have to take everything whether you are redundant line, overlapping numbers or not, but you have to take everything. For example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, everything must be taken. But why do we draw the real number line? So that we can see which one comes first. If you can combine together, you combine together. For example, this part. So starting from negative infinity, you do take the number from here because union, take everything. Okay, now for this part, you just have to just go through and combine together. Union happen that you have to stop when you can is not included. For example, this one, this number is not included. Another part that is not included is this part. There is nothing line over here or any x that can be included over here. Okay, so you have to stop over there. Okay, so how do we write the answer? So what you can write is x belong to negative infinity until, if you stop until 0, because this one is a whole, another one you have a line, so you just take everything. So you stop until both are whole. Both are whole, you stop. So you stop until 1. Open and open. Union by, you don't take at the middle part over here. There's nothing x belong to. So where do we start? We start from 11 over by 18 because over here you still have a whole. Even though it's a whole, you just put open bracket. Now continue until 2 because 2 here, there is a whole for both of it. So since both are whole, then you have to stop until 2. Open, union again because the green is not yet finished, so until infinity. So you have 2 until infinity. So that's how you get your final answer. Alright, now if let's say madam, let's say the question changed. Now the first set is negative half until 1, union by 2 until infinity, but this is n. Okay, the same number, negative infinity until 1, union by 11 over 8 until 2 for the second part. Draw your real number line. Half, 1, 11 over by 8 and 2. The same thing. Okay, because this is n means intersection. So intersection, you need to find the overlapping values only. Where is overlapping? Now let's look at the first part. Negative infinity. Alright, until half. Do we have any overlapping between the two lines? Between the two set of answer? There is none. So you cannot take over there. You should take started from negative half because then it start to have a overlapping of two values. So what you can do, you shade it over here. So x belong to negative half until 1. Only it stop there, open and open. Why madam this is open? Because one of it is a solid, one of it is a hole because a line is still a solid. Because you want overlapping means both having the same number. Since only one of it having the same number, which is -half for the blue one, and the green one is not included, excluded means that you have to exclude. Okay? Okay, one more time. If one is excluded and one is included, so you have to exclude. So it is open. Then union by, again, is there any overlapping over here? So there is none. There is no line. Okay, for the third interval, is there any overlapping? Also none. So you stop. Your answer should be only this. Okay? Again, union is everything. You combine everything. Combine everything. Doesn't matter you have one line or two lines that overlap. Only that you have to stop when both are whole. When both are non-line. Both are whole. Okay? Intersection, overlapping values, which means strictly for two lines overlapping. One line cannot, two lines can, one line cannot, one line also cannot. Alright?